Litir Chuig Mamó.
A Mamó. Conas a tátu. Tá chlán léhananta sira sa rank. Tá méid ag fannacht in óstán nua. Gach lá bíon pancóga don bhricfasta agam. Tá an bia go háling. Téan an chlán ag sciáil gach lá. Slán go fáil, mat.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. Cáil an chlan léhananta sira. Ceiste dó. Cáil siad ag fannacht. Ceiste trí. Cad a bhíonn ag mat don bhricfasta gach lá. Ceiste cathair. An bhfuil an bia go deas? Ceiste cuaig. Cad a dhéanann an chlan gach lá.
Okay, Litir Chuig Mamó means a letter, Chuig to Mamó, and Mamó is grandmother or granny. A Wamo, granny. Conas atá tú. How are you? Tá an clan. Now the clan is the family. Tá an clan léhananta sira. Léhananta are days and sira are free, so free days, which are holidays. Tá an clan léhananta sira sa rank. Okay? Now, that's France, but it sounds like rank. So sa rank is in France. What are they doing? Well, tá míid, we are ag fannacht. We're staying in an óstán. Óstán's a little bit like the English word hotel with the O. In a hotel in óstán nua, in a new hotel. Gach lá. Every day, law is a day, gach law, every day, bíon pancóga. So we have pancakes done bhricfasta, and that looks like the English word for bhricfasta, for breakfast. So we have pancakes every day for breakfast. Agam means on me. Tá an bia go háling. The bia, the food is beautiful. Téan an clan ag sciáil gach lá. Now the clan, Téan means goes. So, goes the family skiing gach lá every day. So the family goes skiing every day. Slán go fáil. See you or goodbye. Goodbye for now. Matt. Okay, now let's have a look at the questions. Okay, so we'll start off with our title up the top and the page number. And here we've got question number 1. Cá bhfuil an clan léhananta sira. Cá bhfuil means where. So where is the clan? Where is the family léhananta sira on holidays? Tá an clan, the answer is tá an clan. We'll start with cá bhfuil, the answer is tá. So tá an clan léhananta sira sa. Now it looks like Frank, but it's on tá siad léhananta sira sa rank. Okay? So you don't hear the F and the H. Question number 2. Cá bhfuil siad ag fannacht. Now, in the story it says tá muid ag fannacht. We are. So tá muid is tá muid, which is we are. But we're not going to say we are staying. We're going to say they are staying. They are staying. So for that reason we have to say tá siad ag fannacht in óstán nua. They are staying in a new hotel. If you wanted to say I am staying in a new hotel, you'd say tá mé ag fannacht in óstán nua. But we want to say they are. So tá siad ag fannacht. Well done. Question 3. Cad a bhíonn ag mat don bhricfasta. So it sounds like a V. Bhricfasta gach lá. And we're going to start the answer with the question. So we see bhíonn in the question. We're going to start with bíonn. It's the same word, just without the H. So bíonn pancóga, pancakes, done bhricfasta, for breakfast, ag mat gach lá. Okay? So he has pancakes. Now in the story it says agam, but he's talking about himself. So we have to say he is having pancakes every morning. And we are going to say ag mat gach lá. Now if you didn't want to say ag mat, you could say ega, which means he has pancakes every day. So to be in pancóga don bhricfasta ag mat gach lá. Number 4. On will on bia go jazz. Is the food nice? The answer to on will is either tá on bia go jazz, the food is nice, or níl on bia go jazz. So you're going to have to look back and find what the answer is. And question 5. Cada dhéanann an chlan gach lá. Now usually you'd start the answer with the verb, which would be déanann. So the family does something every day. But in the story, it says téan, which means goes. So the answer is téan an chlan, the family go, ag sciáil, skiing every day. And that's that.